We are here at the DHL Innovation Center in Chicago with Jake Swanson, and we're going to discuss some different kinds of technologies, and we're going to start with drones. Jake, tell us what drone use you see these days.
I think most people would think that we just use drones like this for marketing or taking pictures, but we've actually found some other uses within industrial projects for using drones. Most recently, we've used them to measure cargo. So cargo comes in and we have it documented at certain dimensions, and we can use drones to come and take pictures from above and use the camera technology to measure the cargo to make sure that it actually is what we think it's supposed to be.
Okay, does it ever not match?
You'd be surprised. You would be surprised.
So you're using drones now. What do you see as the potential for drones in the future with the work that you do in industrial projects?
I can see us using drones in a lot of ways. I think really when it comes to route surveys and route studies that we do before a project gets started, you need to make sure what routing you use. And projects are located sometimes in very diverse locations, mountains, or difficult to get to. And so using drones to be able to evaluate, study that route, work together with a project owner, with a customer to make sure that we have the proper routing going into a job site. I think that's a great way to use drone technology.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you sum up the benefits for us?
The benefits are that it saves on manpower, it gives you a different perspective, and it also can be safer, especially when some of these locations are difficult to get to or adverse weather conditions. You can use a drone and it becomes very helpful.
All right, excellent. Thanks so much.